I stopped doing just one thing in my fashion business as a fashion designer, and it increased my customer base by 50%. Not just my customer base by number, but the quality of the customers I started to have. In case you don't know what's going on, you're welcome to our day one of 10 days of teaching you how to attract high paying customers. One thing I want you to know about customers is that it's not about the quantity of the customer base you have, it's about the quality of the customers you have. There's one thing among many other things I'm going to be teaching you that you can do today that is going to shift the kind of customers you have immediately. And that one thing, I know you're going to be surprised when I say this to you, but that one thing is changing your mindset. Yes. The persons that come to you are determined by the way you think, the way you reason. Your mindset determines how your business is run, how you present your business, how you present yourself as a business owner. And it also determines how you interact with your customers. I began to understand that I am a service provider. And when you understand that you're a service provider, you will begin to appreciate the fact that you are providing value. You are offering a service. You are a creative. You are creating beauty for your customer. And when that is your mindset, you will begin to stop chasing after customers. You will begin to stop placing your value based on what your customer values you as. You begin to place your value based on what you understand yourself to be and what you understand your business to be. And when you do this, let me tell you, customers understand energy. They understand audacity when they see it. They understand confidence when they see it. When you see a timid fashion designer, you will see that the customers will treat the person anyhow. But when you are confident, I'm not talking about rude fashion designers, no. I'm talking about confidence. When you are confident about your craft, about what you bring to the table, people won't treat you anyhow. And when they treat you anyhow, you can easily correct them because you know that that is not the perception of yourself that you want to give out there. It's that simple. I told you all that I used to be a pushover as a fashion designer. I used to do anything for the customer, anything, let the customer just be happy. The day I stopped doing that, that was the day I started seeing it different. The same customers, the same set of persons started treating me differently because I learned to say, these are my boundaries. These are the things I accept. These are the things I don't accept. I used to tell you all that they used to owe me. They will owe me, eh? Hey, God. They will owe me so I will come to beg for my money. But the day I stop taking in clothes on credit, if you don't bring down a certain down payment, I'm not going to start making your clothes. Even if you are my step, we are, swing is joined by the hips. I have to take that drastic step because I didn't start on time. But if you're a beginner, if you're just starting out your fashion design, then I want you to create systems around yourself. First of all, create systems around your mindset. Understand who am I as a fashion designer. When you understand that and begin to carry yourself that way, your customers will respect you. And when they respect you, they will pay you well. When you give them price, they're going to respect that and they're going to pay you. I want you to start implementing it from today. Don't be scared. Don't be scared to use customers and don't be rude. Once you're not rude, learn how to communicate. Those are the things I'm going to be teaching. It's just the one. And I'm going to be teaching for the next 10 days. By the end of 10 days, you're going to be like, you're going to be a totally new business. You're going to be so different that people will be in wonder what happened. So, if you want us to go ahead and you want to be in the day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, to day 10 of this class, I want you to click the follow button and then to comment in the comment section. Just tell me day 2, day 2, day 2. Let me see day 2 in the comment section so that I'll come on with more and more and more of what I have. Till I see you tomorrow. Bye.